mentioned at the beginning of this lesson, projection is not just about singing louder. It's about successfully delivering your story in a clear and concise manner to your audience. And so this next exercise is going to focus on consonants. We already know that the quality of the sound we produce is carried to our audience via our vowel sounds. However, without clean, crisp consonants, it's very difficult for your audience to understand what it is you're singing about. Consonants add spice and vitality to the sound that you make, and they also assist greatly with expressing the emotional content of the story you're telling. If your consonants are interrupting your vocal line because they're overemphasized, or if they're weak and muffled, all right, the projection of your story onto your audience is certainly going to be hindered. So we must strike a balance between maintaining your vocal line and also emphasizing your consonants clearly enough that your story is heard and felt and experienced by those listening to it. Now we're going to look more deeply into the expressive nature of consonants later in the program when we go through the lesson on style, licks and tricks. But for now, we're going to do a simple exercise that will give you some practice in singing your consonants clearly. That's all consonants, whilst maintaining your vocal line. And this exercise is called ABCs. Okay, you may know this song, especially if you live in a predominantly English-speaking country. If you don't already know the song, that's completely fine, because the sounds we're going to be singing will benefit you just as greatly no matter what your native language is. So as you sing through this exercise with me, make sure you record yourself with an audio device that will pick your sound up clearly so that you can then listen back to see if any of the consonants are possibly interrupting your vocal line, or perhaps those consonants that need a little extra emphasis to bring them out more clearly. You can also record yourself doing this exercise while you stand back from the microphone, first on the other side of the room, and then as far away as you can possibly place yourself from the microphone, because this will give you a great indication as to whether your consonants are clear enough over longer distances. If you're singing to an audience that's 50 rows deep, would the person in the back row be able to hear your consonants clearly? Placing yourself various distances from the microphone on whatever recording device you're using will give you instant feedback about which consonants are more or less articulated or audible.